morning, everybody. We're getting supper started in the slow cooker. Today is the pulled pork day, but we're gonna do this one a little different. So I sprayed the slow cooker. We're gonna put in the pork roast. This one is bone-in. I ordered boneless, but they substituted for bone-in. We're gonna be using Famous Dave's rib rub for the roast this time. And instead of apple juice, we're gonna put in apple cider. So we're just gonna do some seasoning in here, very generous amount. Oh, that smells really good. I love pulled pork. Y'all know this is one of my favorite things, especially in the fall. We have Nature's Nectar, 100% apple cider. And we're just gonna pour this in around the sides so we don't wash all the rib rub off the top, just until we get right to the top of it, right there. That's it. It's gonna cook on low for 8 hours. All right, y'all, it is about 2:30 in the afternoon now. I'm looking for the keys. It's pumpkin patch day. Pumpkin patch, corn maze, farmer's market. I think they have a hayride. I'm not sure about the hayride. Maybe you take a hayride to the pumpkin patch. Let's see what the corn maze looks like this year. It's a tractor and a flag.
Oh, the last one of the evening is at 5:30, and everything else is open till 6.
All right, thank you.
Thank y'all.
Do you need some help, Sissy?
No.
All right, there's Minnie's.
Corn maze.
Yeah, it's a little maze for little kids, like Minnie.
Mama, can stay over there for me?
Yeah, I'll stay over there for you. There you go. You can barely fit, huh?
Mama, can I go myself?
Yeah, go ahead. I think no. Sissy got it. Daddy, he might want you to go down the slide with him. Oh, it's gonna be a race, okay. Sissy's winning. Jonah's coming in second. I'm sorry, y'all lost. 3rd place. What happened? I think that side over there is a little bit steeper. Oh yeah, Jonah's winning this time. Yeah, that side's steeper.
How y'all doing?
All right, buddy. How are you?
You want to feed them?
Oh, Sissy found a baby one. Uh-oh, here comes Mama. Uh-oh, Jonah, you better be careful. This one's eyeballing your hat like it wants a hat snack. Better watch out. There, you try. It smells good over here at the bubble section. Woo!
Here comes the biggest bubble. Look at that.
Uh-oh. Runaway bubble. Here we go. Corn maze entrance. Let's see if we can do it this time without cheating.
Well, I'm going to cheat.
Okay, Daddy's got the map. Where was the entrance? We should have brought the walkie-talkies so we could talk to each other throughout the corn maze.
No, it's the family.
Hey, is this cheating? Does this count as cheating? This is no help. Ooh, airplane. Oh, we just did a big circle?
No.
You want some exercise, go do a corn maze. Maybe that's the tower? I think that's the... Yeah, I'm feeling this way. I feel like we should have been like Hansel and Gretel or something. We should have brought some Reese's Pieces and left a trail of Reese's Pieces everywhere. People would have thought E.T. did the corn maze. We haven't seen white, have we?
No.
So we're definitely doing something different here. If we come to the entrance, I say we just call it a win and go out that entrance.
Blue might help.
Yeah, it is his favorite color. Okay, we're near the pumpkin train now, I think. I hear the pumpkin train to my left.
I'm cheating over here.
It has begun. Somebody else who was drinking Sprite cheated.
That's a new one.
You ready?
Yeah.
This is a really bumpy pumpkin train, isn't it, Manny?
Yeah.
Look at Daddy up there. He's having the time of his life, Manny.
Yeah. He is having his time of the job. It's so much fun.
Yeah. And we're going 110 on the funometer. We have the pumpkin patch and we have a snack shack over there. Yeah, let's see. The minis are $1. Orange pie pumpkins are $5. White pie pumpkins are $6. Jack-o'-lanterns are $7 to $25. Specialty are $5 and up, and jumbo are $25 and up.
This is
Get
jumbo.
some pies. Big pumpkins. Look how big.
I think the price on the jumbos is marked. Like this one says 50. Oh, there's some minis over here.
Oh.
You like that one?
That's are the 5 ones.
Yeah, I like that one. Look at that one right there. I bet that's almost as tall as Manny. Look at how big these are. All right, we got our cart full of pumpkins. We're waiting on the guy to come back up here.
The only reason I came to their pumpkin patch is because I'm trying to stay humble about mine.
Right.
Mine's worth $100 a pumpkin.
One. Well, sorry, we did have two. We did have two. You gonna load yours, Manny?
Mommy, you get in.
Daddy's gonna have to sit in the front.
You care if I get one of those donuts?
Huh?
Get one of these donuts?
Donuts.
Got 3 left, bud. Yeah. I've been busy.
So
Now it's time for apple cider donuts from the farmer's market.
Apple cider donuts.
Yep, we're gonna find the apple cider donuts. Yes, good. We got some bananas. We got some sweet taters.
Bananas. I
Yeah.
like bananas.
Here's some muscadines. They got any purple or just green? Muscadines and plums. They got some pretty pumpkins in here too. We gotta get some of these peppers over here. I can't remember, what were the peppers that we really liked last time? Fruit cake. 'Tis the season. Me and Manny are on a search for the apple. Oh, I found them, Manny. There they are. You want the dozen? Think we need that? Okay. Jonah's looking for the spicy cheese. Is that it? Yep, you found it. That's it.
This week got the apple cider donuts.
Good, ain't they?
I smell boiled peanuts. They have pumpkin spice donuts now too. Their cakes always look so good, don't they?
Yeah.
Red velvet whoopie pie. I'm gonna get a few of these cherry bombs. They were pretty good. They're hot, but they're really good. This is new stuff over here. Peanut brittle, praline pecans, crock pot grits, pie crust, pancake mix, hush puppy mix. We lost, oh, there they are. I got some of the cherry bombs.
Okay.
We found nutcrackers, y'all. We have a reindeer one or a squirrel one. Let's do reindeer.
Maybe a few more.
Okay, y'all, we are back home. We got here with 8 minutes to spare on the pork roast. So I just made some slaw real quick. We have the Kinder's Honey Hot barbecue sauce, and we got this at the farmer's market, Sweet Georgia Red.